I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and once again we are having Dolls Gone Goth on the 16th of this month, which is Sexy Pilgrims this month. I just want to give a shout out to J Dolls UK, who is such a wonderful co-host. We are really having fun with this. We are so excited that everyone is joining in on these challenges. We love coming to see your videos of what you come up with what we give you. And don't forget that next month, December, on the 16th, always the 16th, will be the, what's it called? Nightmare Before Christmas. And you can do anything along those lines. You can dress a doll as Sally or Jack. You can show us your Nightmare Before Christmas dolls or dress one up, anything you want. And then January is Creepy Clowns. Let's talk about today. This is Gothea in her Sexy Pilgrim outfit. Now you're probably looking at her thinking, not very sexy. Oh yes it is. For the 1700s, this is scandalous. I mean, she has on the devil's lace. Oh, this is the way she wears her hat when she goes to church. However, when it's just her and her husband, she wears it like this. So when Gothea is home and it's just her and her husband, she wears the devil's lace on the outside of her hat, and he loves it. Her apron is not very functional, but it sure is cute. She comes from Viking stock, so her dress is a bit different than the other pilgrims, and her shoes she designed herself and named them after her sister Mary Jane. Come on, that's funny. But when it comes to the undergarments, of which pilgrim ladies would have wore plenty, she doesn't. In fact, she wears very little. Her one, oh, it's coming down. Her one skirt of slip also becomes her nightgown, which is scandalous for the times. So that is my sexy, that's my interpretation of a sexy pilgrim. Although she still has her hat and her dress long, it's a little different. Her hat, I don't know if you noticed, is a little scandalous too, because pilgrim ladies would have had great big brims, hiding their faces, calling it modesty. Gothea has a beautiful face and she wants it seen, and so does her husband. Don't miss those pierced ears. Oh my, how scandalous is that? Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Thank you so much, Jay. This is so fun. Be sure and go to all the different channels that will be listed in the Dolls Gone Goth Sexy Pilgrims hashtag. And they're going to be fun because everybody's interpretation is going to be a little bit different. You're hearing my cat on the door because she's down, because she and our Yorkie just go nuts running through this house playing. They're very cute, not while we're filming. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.